get this stuff out of here.
Wildcat, it's Black Canary. I'm at the warehouse. Where are you?
Sorry, baby. Oh, I got hung up.
This is getting old, Ted. You need a hand?
Nah, just sit tight. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Would those be real minutes or Wildcat minutes?
Hey, come on.
Over there.
And there's that merciless left jab.
Larry, we interrupting your private life?
Pay-per-view webcast. It's almost over.
Put it down and get to work.
Dude, the last one with this guy only went one round. I'm not missing it. Cost me an arm and a leg.
I'm gonna cost you an arm and a leg if you don't get...
Body shots. And things are about to get ugly here, folks.
Kinda late for a charity drop-off, isn't it, boys?
Seeing a living legend in action. It's almost too awful to watch.
Move it!
We may have a knockout in record time. I don't think this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner. Still the undefeated champ,